So today I'm going to the studio for a quick session. It's actually gonna be like a beauty shoot. So it's gonna be like a 30-minute session, very quick one, but yeah, very intentional about the lighting setup and also the outcome of what we want to get from this. So stay tuned. Yeah, to see the outcome. I'll shoot some BTS when I get to the studio. So don't forget to like, share, comment, whatever you can do. Just do it. Yeah. All right, it's time to go. I'll see you guys when I get there. So for this shoot, I'm using my B camera. So and that's the Sony A7 A7 III with my favorite lens 24 to 70 f2.8. So I've been using this camera for quite a while now, like 3 years, and it's been an amazing camera so far. I just got this Sony A7S III, which is the bigger brother for this. So I expect to see more outstanding images that I'll be sharing with you guys. So ensure to subscribe, like, and comment. And that's the model coming in. If you want to introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name's Melissa Luke. Today we're shooting some beauty shots, some test shoots. I'm really looking forward to it.
Nice. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is _ at Melissa with 1L, 2 S's, Luke _ Make sure you follow at Melissa Luke. Don't forget the underscores.
Nice. So you've heard it from her. Follow, like, comment, do everything you can. Join the community.
Can I see those pictures?
Oh,
sorry,
yeah.
I'm nosy.
The test shoot.
Yeah, the test shoot. So I forgot your name, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, oh, those are lovely. Thanks, Kay.
You're welcome. Yeah, come forward a bit. Yeah. Let's see. I think I'm gonna leave this light on as well. Yeah. Have you seen the mood board?
Yeah, I had a look at it. I'll probably have a
Okay.
look again. Just with them. Yeah, just have a look. Yeah, I'll just play with the nails. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
All right. Let's do
Hey.
it.
Babe, you know that nice Kiko lipstick? Do you want me to incorporate it in the shoot, the pink one?
No, it's about if we do, let's just warm up and do some beauty shots,
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
there's these accessories I'm gonna give you.
Yeah, after. Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. Okay, cool.
Let me see. How's it looking?
So far, so good.
Ooh.
So we got these. When
Nice.
yeah, this is just for the test shoot. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
So you can change your pose now. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna do 2 for that. Nice. I'm gonna come very close.
Alright, also these are the accessories. They want to check something. So yeah, there's one for, it goes under the wig, so it's supposed to sit like this under the wig. If you hold it towards your,
Show me exactly.
so this is the back, and this is it. So you can hold it like, so it's in line with your wig.
Like that.
Yeah, a bit up so it doesn't cover your face. And then yeah, just face the camera and do.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that's gonna be.
These look weird with the fabric, innit?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me see this first. Yeah. If you bring your hand in a bit, yeah.
Like a drape.
Yeah. Let's do without fabrics. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Can you put your hand in the frame more?
You put your chin down as well, so you're like eye level with the lens. Yeah, put your chin a bit lower, down, perfect.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Jacolia. You can call me Coco, and I am a jazz vocalist, swimming instructor, and curve model. I hope that you enjoy what we do today. My Instagram is at jcoco_official. All social handles at jcocoa_official.
Yeah. And then we'll do a double shot with them wearing
Yeah.
the same colour top before
Oh,
we
okay.
change.
Okay.
But then, sorry, she's gonna do that by herself first, and then
Yeah.
after that,
It's okay.
Like this.
Yeah. So move it a bit closer. Yeah. Let me see that. Yeah.
Pizza's on the way, guys. Sorry, I had to get dinner because we're overrun. But you guys don't look like you're in a hurry.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So bring it closer to you a bit. More. Yeah. Let's see that. Okay. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Go on.
That works.
Yeah.
Oh.
See what I mean? That smells very bright.
Thank you. I like these. That's my
You got some good ones.
That was my personal one. Anyway.
Let's do some duo shots,
Okay.
just as beauty shots for both of you. Let's see, for duo shot, there's only one duo shot,
Yeah, it's just one.
but it's like levels.
Let me
It's
see.
like different. Someone will stand in front or at the back, and then it looks like you're close to each other, but you're not because. So it's like different levels.
So I can.
Yeah.
Which
Which angle do you
Is it okay? Because I do this one. Is that lovely? Yeah.
Okay. Let's bring. Yeah. Do you want it full shot?
No.
Medium.
Yeah.
Okay.
From shoulder up.
Shoulder out.
Should she get a smaller chair? No, that's not gonna work.
No, it's not. It's not gonna work. Yeah.
So I
It should be level actually. You can stand tall.
Yeah,
And then
like the angling is coming from here.
Yeah, but you don't have to be too far.
Yeah.
So it's, you can come forward a bit.
Yeah.
Towards that.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, just because
T, help me with this. Yeah. It just pointed like Stay where they are.
yeah. Back like this.
Yes, I'm coming. Yeah.
Okay, you're testing that out.
Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Or you can. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you get them from?
Mm-hmm.
The earrings. Yeah, the top shelf has the larger ones. Sabrina, that was Hack. No, Hack, that's not Lucian.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Lucian himself.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's Sabina, Shabba. What's the other one? Rihanna's the one off chain. Sorry.
Never heard of none of them.
Rihanna's just,
Yeah. All right, let's try it now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When you stood this way, like directly this way, yeah. But if you move like, yeah, and actually, let me see. It's easier to tell you to do, but it might not be possible. So like here, like right at her shoulder, yeah. But don't hide your face. Let me see your
Yeah.
face. So maybe you can move your head back a bit.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
take 2 of that. Yeah, let's see. Good.
It's nice to go, some people the product goes under the wig to protect your edges from like the harsh materials. And so, obviously not wearing a wig now, but this is what we want to look like, you know?
Oh, okay.
So, it goes, it's basically goes this way, so it's for your edges, but you don't have to hold it like that. It's like a cover product. Perfect. That's really good. Yes. Yeah.
Now you love the product.
That made me smile.
Yeah, even me. It's a flat piece of.
Okay. Yeah, we will bring it closer to you a bit. Yeah. Okay.
Let's do one each.
1 each.
One person each. You've got your shot,
Yeah.
so let's get you in a pink top and just do your thing.
You still need to direct her though.
Yeah, okay. I'll come back. I'll just.
Okay. All right. Cause she knows what she wants.
Yeah, that makes sense. I think I may need this chair.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah.